Hi, I'm Lisa Dorfman, the running nutritionist and chef ambassador for Fullei Fresh. I am so thankful to be with all of you this holiday season. Now, it's not going to be a traditional holiday like we know of the past. We'll need to be in small groups or celebrating Thanksgiving by Zoom. Yes, it's going to be that kind of year, but we could still enjoy the holidays and we could still enjoy good, delicious Thanksgiving foods with the fixings. This month, I've prepared a dish for me and for my fellow vegetarians that is very heartwarming, very comforting. That's what we need this year. We need comfort food. So this dish features this month's sprouts, our bean sprouts, which are just absolutely so versatile, crunchy, they're full of liquid, they're fluid, they're gonna keep you hydrated. They're wonderful in our dish for today called pho, or hot dishes, stirred fries, salads, summer rolls. So very versatile, full of protein and fiber and vitamin C, even has calcium and iron too. So let me teach you how to make this pho. Pho is actually the traditional dish, the country dish of Vietnam. So there is some tradition going on here. Traditionally though, it's made with meat. So instead of using meat, I use a vegetarian alternative called tempeh. And tempeh is a fermented, typically soybean. I use a local artisan's non-soybean tempeh, a black bean or a zuki, which also works really nicely. And what I do with this tempeh is I give it a little bath in lapsang souchong tea. Lapsang souchong tea gives it a smoky flavor. So voila, it starts to taste like that beefy sort of feeling that you get from the thin slices that are normally added to a pho. So we have our tempeh taking its little bath. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare our broth. Now you could make your broth from scratch with vegetables and water and some seasoning, a vegetable broth cube. Or you could get a head start and use a prepared vegetable organic broth with equal parts water. And in that add scallions, lemongrass, a stick of cinnamon, some cloves. You'll add your bok choy, carrots, some mushrooms, sliced mushrooms, which again, you could sear and get that searing kind of flavor going on. You could also do that with an onion. You could, broil an onion under the grill, the oven grill, and get that brown searing flavor so that you get that really hearty, if you enjoy that going on. You're gonna add your rice noodles, these clear rice noodles, nice and gluten-free. And you're gonna bring that to a boil and then bring it down to a simmer and just let it sit and hang out. In the meantime, we're gonna take that bathed tempeh and we're gonna marinate it in some shoyu soy sauce, some rice vinegar, some of those scallions chopped and the lemongrass, some miso, some light miso. I used a chickpea miso actually, and some lemon oil, lemon infused oil, and I'm gonna let it marinate for about an hour. So you've got this like smoky and then this really fragrant flavor coming into these tempehs. Really, really super delicious. Once that's done, we're gonna take our broth, we're gonna put it in our serving bowl. We're gonna take half of the serving of bean sprouts that we didn't use in the broth, and we're gonna lay them on top. They'll give it this nice crispy, a little cool flavor going on, yin and yang. Some fresh mint. We could put cilantro and lime, which is traditional garnishes. Certainly some ginger. If you like it hot, you could chop up some chili peppers. You could have thrown that in the broth early on. Some don't like it hot. And that's really it. It just is such a simple dish to make, yet it gives so much love back to you. And again, it could be eaten for leftovers, for lunch, for a snack. So I hope it brings you as much joy as it does to me. And I wish and pray for all of you a happy and healthy Thanksgiving holiday. Check out the recipes and my blog at fulleifresh.com.